Okay, so it's 11 o'clock and let's see what we can do here. Holy fuck. Like, this is crazy. Oh. Like, it's up to my chest. Like, holy fuck. So, try to get out of the fucking door, and I was unable to close the door behind me. So, gotta shovel all this thing out now. Holy fuck. So that's my doors going down. That's my door that I can't shut. So I have to shovel all that little cubby hole out. Alright, so here's a car. It's snowing a lot. It's not really thick snow, but it's the fucking wind. Like, look, see grass here, but there, you know, here's my van. See, not bad. But when you look behind it, I got a shovel here. Canadians don't understand this. On this side, I can climb over this shit. Like, look at this fucking. That pretty much sums it up right there. That's just absolutely ridiculous. But it was snowblower ready. You're gonna have to do it again fucking tomorrow. And this is like, it's not that cold, it's just windy. So this snow is like super like thick and heavy.